Yes, so now this is the easiest way you can withdraw money from Binance to your bank account or any account of your choice without using P2P trading, right? So now this way there isn't any way you'll be scammed when you withdraw when Binance it is the one that is sending you money. Okay, so now let me show you this one, this easy way. Your money has to be on your in your funding wallet, right? So now you go here to wallet. You can see this is a fiat sale I have made. I've just withdrawn, yes, this money, okay, 12.8 USDTs. Yes, in our currency it is 43,000 Ugandan shillings. I've just withdrawn that money. Okay, so now using this method I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so now here you first come to your here to your wallet. Okay, then you come to transfer right here. Okay, then when you reach there, when your money is in a spot wallet, you have to transfer it to funding wallet in form of USDT, right? So now here they will show you, you'll be here with the USDT that you will transfer to your funding wallet. Down here there is confirm transfer, you will be able to see it, right? So now spot right to as you can see here. So after that here you'll just be able to tap there. Okay, then when you tap there, you will be transferred to your funding wallet. That's USDTs, they will be transferred to the funding wallet. So now after transferring that money to funding wallet, you just come here to withdraw. You see here there is withdraw option right here, so just tap on that withdraw. Then you see here there's P2P trading, but remember we don't want to trade using P2P, rather we want to withdraw it to our maybe bank account, right? So now here you can come here, there is UGX because it is our currency. You can either sell in UGX, Visa or MasterCard, or withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. Okay, so now here let me just sell in my currencies. Okay, so now after tapping there, you will see that they'll display for you somewhat some things here. So you just put the USDTs that you wanna sell, guys. Okay, so now after here putting the USDT you wanna sell, just that I don't have some USDTs there, but after putting there, you just see down here there will be a preview order. So after tapping to preview order here, you will see that there will preview your order and you will confirm with your number you are sending money to. As you can see here down, there is the withdraw method, right? So the receive method, it is the number that you're going to receive that money to, guys, right?